This is a 3D printed glider. It's a bird glider. I downloaded it from the Thingiverse and I'm I printed it. It took 3 hours, and the size, the wing is almost 40 centimeters, quite big but quite light. So, but I'm not sure if it flies well. But yeah, let's see how it fly. I will just drew it from my apartment. Actually, my apartment is quite high. It's a 20-story building. So as you can see, I can see whole the Seoul city is quite high, more than 50 meters or 60 meters. So I will just try it. Probably, if I throw it, probably I cannot get it back. But let's see. Look at the bird is just spinning. Not flying, just spinning down. Oh, I cannot see anymore. It failed.